Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can view the friend request that you have sent from your Facebook account. But before I continue with my today's video, give a thumbs up to this video, comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. Feel free to request us if you have any suggestions for our new videos. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's video. Log into your Facebook from any browser. Now go to find friends from the top of your right hand side. Under friends, go to friend request, and here you can see view sent request. And here you'll be able to see the request that you have sent. On the screen you can see that the number of requests that I have sent, and that's how you will find the request that you have sent from your Facebook account. Please let us know how you find our videos by commenting below, give a thumbs up to our videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.